Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Xero Connector for Magento 2. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now copy the redirect URI from here, click the Generate Keys button. It will open the Xero developer page. Log in with your account. Go to My Apps. Click New App. Add any app name. Select Web App in Integration Type. Add URL of your site in Company or Application URL. Add Redirect URI as displayed in Module Setting. Agree Terms and Condition. Click Create App. Now copy Client ID from Configuration section in your app, paste in Module Setting in respected field. Now click Generate a Secret, copy this client secret, paste in Module Setting in respected field. Click Save Config. Configuration is saved. Now click Generate Tokens button in Module Setting. Select an organization and click Allow Access. Once you see the authentication page at front end, refresh the configuration page. You will see that tokens are generated. There are a few more fields in Module Setting. Sales Account, select the sales account here. Next field is Invoice Status in Xero. Select the status which you want to set for Xero invoice while syncing the orders from Magento. Next field is Start Date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which Magento orders will sync to Xero. Next field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of Magento orders that will be synced to Xero. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Last field is Order Statuses for voided order in Xero. Select the order statuses of Magento orders that will be set as void in Xero. This field is basically used for cancelled orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete from Magento end. Now, go to your Xero account, click Organization Name, click Settings, click Currencies, click Add Currency and add all currencies used in your site. Now configuration is done from both ends. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products and orders. Click the Xero menu and you will see the sync menus. In case these menus are not present, then plush Magento Cache from Cache Management. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from Magento to Xero. Import button will do the reverse of export. We will show you the working of export. We have clicked the export and customers are syncing to Xero. Let's see them in Xero. See customers are present in Xero. Customer sync list is also updated in Magento panel. Now, let's move to sync products. Click the export button to sync the products from Magento to Xero. We have clicked the export and products are syncing to Xero. Let's see them in Xero. See products are present in Xero. Product sync list is also updated in Magento panel. Now, we will move to sync orders. Simply click Export and it will sync the orders. Let's click and see. Orders are synced. We have tried to cover all points. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.